Fish on. Just a little jack. All right, guys, we are going to try something a little different here. I've never tried this before in Costa Rica. This is typically used up north for walleye. This is a bottom bouncer. I got a 4-foot lead behind with a big Yozuri floating crankbait, and I'm about 20 feet of water, and I'm going to drop this sucker down and see what we can get to hit it. Here we go, guys. Fish on. We got a little roosterfish, guys. Ooh, he didn't like that. He's not super big, but he's putting up a pretty good fight. Oh, it's pulling pretty hard now. He's only about 5 pounds, but man, these roosters put up a good fight, guys. Gotta keep him away from the fins under the kayak. I gotta wear him out a little bit. He's gonna go absolutely mental once I get him closer to the kayak here. He's not ready yet. There he is. Beautiful fish. See if I can get this guy safely released. All right, nice little rooster. There you go, buddy.